Hello friends, how are you? My first question is that if you want to reach overnight, so this video is not for you. If you want to learn and then earn like a long-term learn, or if you want to go for a long term, so this video is perfectly for you. I strongly believe that in the stock market, almost 90% it's everything about the discipline. Okay, there are a lot of points which I covered in this particular lectures. Okay, through Udemy I have given my link below also. So over there I have covered a capital management. There are a lot of points which I try to cover over there. Next one is a TradingView platform wherein I have given the basic and the key features of the TradingView platform, how you can use over there. Then I have gone through the basic candles, how the candlestick creates through the time zone, and whether whenever there is a uptrend, downtrend, how to identify those things, or whenever the breakout happens. Then the key area is like a buy sell signal. Okay, this is a very important indicator like a backbone which you can use over there. Then whenever there is a breakouts, what kind of decision we have to take and how to take those kind of decision, that I have given the explanation over there. And the last but not the least, through the RSI indicator also you can learn. This is one kind of offer which I'm providing you over here. Like this is 1,000 enroll. It's free of cost. You can use this below link and you can access and you can take this opportunity. I'm strongly believe that you have to focus on learning. Earning will definitely come in your face, but first you need to learn. Don't lose blindly and take stocks. As I said that because strongly I believe that the capital management, a disciplined trader, it's most important thing in your life. So grab this opportunity, and this is only for first 1,000 enrollments. Take this opportunity, go through this, learn this strategy from the beginners, or if you are the new traders or the experienced one, if you want to sharpen your skills, you can go through this and you can have this. Okay, thank you very much and take care. Bye bye.